Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, I have a question for you. You have two choices in your life. Firstly, should you live the life by the programming of your mind that past has been programmed and get the results that you have got? The second opportunity is that you have to reprogram your mind and live your life according to your will, according to your goal, according to your dream, and get what you want, what you vision. So, what's your choice? I know if you are a mature person, then you will definitely choose the second opportunity to reprogram your mind according to your vision, according to your destination, and according to your intention, and then get from this life that you want, that you desire. So, you see, our mind is just programmed by our society, by our friends, by the opinions of others, by our colleagues, by our environment, by our family, by our friends. So, if your mind is programmed by these kind of external factors, should you live your life according to it? Never. You should reprogram your mind according to your own will, according to your inner self, and you just have to spend daily some time with your mind to reprogram it. Now, how can we reprogram our mind? We just, we have limiting beliefs. We have limited our potential according to the opinions of others that you cannot do this. We say, okay, I cannot do this. But why? Who? Who told us that we cannot do that? Who has limited our potential? Why we have limited our potential by just with an opinion of someone? Why we have let them to limit ourselves? So now we can reprogram our mind, and we must reprogram our mind to live our life according to our own will, according to our own vision. So, how is the way? How can we do that? We can do that by clearing our mind. Firstly, we have to clear our mind, we have to clean our mind, and we have to rest our mind. Then we have to put in our mind the positive thoughts, the affirmations that yes, I can do it. Yes, I will do it. Yes, I surely will do this. Everything, anything that you want to do, you have to say it that yes, I can do it. I can be it. And I will be it. I will do it. You have to put these kind of words into your mind that yes, I can do this, I will do this, I will be this. And whatever your goal is, if you want to become a doctor, you want to become a YouTuber, you want to become a social server, whatever you want to do in your life, you have to speak that yes, I will do this. You have to become a gold medalist in Olympic, you want to become a best sportsman, yes, whatever the thing, whatever is your desire, whatever is your dream, is your goal, you must repeat each and every day that yes, I will do this, I will do this, I can do this, and I will be this. So you have to reprogram your mind through words, through affirmations on daily basis. Use positive words for yourself, use positive words for your life, use positive words, and you have to spread positivity from your inner self. You must have to believe that you have unlimited powers, that you have unlimited potential, and that you can do anything that you want. So the limitations that the society, that the friends, that the others have put to yourself, you have to get out from that all limitations, and you just have to believe that yes, I can do what I want. And one day you will know that these affirmations have pushed you from the well of the limitations to an ocean of the opportunities. So we just have to reprogram our mind and we have to live our life according to our will, according to our vision.